This puppy really doesn't want to share his new toy. This puppy is having fun chasing his tail. A bunch of puppies having a nap. A Rhodesian puppy learning to swim. This puppy is discovering snow for the first time.
Give me this. Go get it.
Such a cute, sleepy puppy, don't you just want to cuddle it? Doggy Mama came to stop the argument. Watch this puppy reacting to squeaky toy sound. This puppy is melting hearts.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
For more amazing puppy videos, click on the right.